Hello guys, we will learn now new chapter in the science, that is adaptations in plants. First of all, we will discuss what is adaptation, then after what is the habitat in this chapter, then we will go further. Plants are found almost everywhere on the earth. Some plants grow on the land while some grow in water. Plants that grow on the land are differ from those that grow in water. Similarly, plants living in a fresh water are different from the plants that grow in marshy area or near the shore. The surrounding in which a plant lives is called its habitat. It develops certain characteristics which help it to survive in a particular environment or in a particular condition, and this is called as adaptation. If a plant is not able to adapt to its habitat, it will die. On this slide we can see the plants which grow in different habitats. Now here we will learn about the adaptation. Adaptation means adjustment of plants or the animal with their surroundings to survive in a good way or in simply or by developing some extra features or characteristics or by losing some body parts is called as adaptation. Means adjustment with the environment to survive in a better way is called as adaptation. And this adaptation done by the plant or animal in two ways. First one is that by developing some extra body part or some extra features in their body, while on other side they adapt the environment by losing some their body parts. Okay. Now habitat is the place where organisms means plants, animals, microorganisms, anyone are living is called as habitat. Means habitat is a place where any kind of the organism lives and complete their life processes in a good way. That place is called as habitat for that organism. Now these habitats are classified into two broad groups. First one is terrestrial and second one is aquatic habitat. Terrestrial habitat is just concerned with the land part of the earth, while aquatic habitat related with the water bodies of the earth. And here are some examples of terrestrial habitat and some example of aquatic habitat. On the basis of habitats, plants are classified broadly in two groups: the terrestrial plant and aquatic plants. The plants which are grow in the water are called as aquatic plant, and where the plant those are grow on the land are called as terrestrial plants. First of all, we will discuss about the aquatic plants. Definition of aquatic plant will be like this: the plants that grow in water are called as aquatic plants. Now these aquatic plants further divided into three parts according to their position in water body. First one is floating plants, second one is the fixed plant, and third one is the underwater plant. All these plants have the special features or the adaptation which enable them to survive in their habitat in a better way. First one, floating plants. Some aquatic plants float on the water due to their small size and light weight body. Example, Ulphia, Pistia and duckweed. Some plants have swelling swellings on their leaf base or leaf stalk, which are filled with the air, and this filled air structure help them to float on the water. Okay, example, water hyacinths. Second group of the aquatic plant is fixed plant. It means they cannot move from one place to another place. They are fixed at one place. In this type of the plant, stems are hollow, light and flexible. Leaves are broad and flat with waxy coating. They float on the surface of water, means leaves float on the surface of water, and wax coat protect the leaf from spoiling. Example of such type of the fixed aquatic plants are water lily and lotus, as you can see in the picture in your book. Lotus, a fixed aquatic plant. Third one is underwater plant. Underwater plant also fixed to the soil at the bottom of the pond or other water body with the help of their roots. Means out of three groups, two groups means fixed aquatic plants and underwater plants are fixed. They cannot move. Only one is floating. Underwater plants are fixed again, and their stems and leaves remain fully underwater. The leaves are very small or ribbon-like. Stomata are totally absent in underwater plants. Carbon dioxide enters and oxygen comes out of the leaf through the general surface of the leaf. Example of underwater plants are Hydrilla, Vallisneria. Vallisneria is also called as tape grass. Okay, thank you.